In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pomelli to create amazing social media brand kits or brand campaigns for your brand. So if you have your brand and you want to create a brand DNA, or if you have a website and you like to just use the power of AI to come up with awesome brand kits, then in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pomelli by Google. So all you have to do is just open up your browser and type in Pomelli with a 2L and I, and you will see it coming from Google Labs, Pomelli by Google Labs. And if you head over to that website, you will see how easy it is to use it. And so this is the website, Pomelli, guys. And to get started, all you have to do is just simple click and let's get started. And with this, you can add your own personal brand logos, colors, and so forth. But if you have a website, it is super easy to do. I'm going to use a website as an example. So we're going to take just a random website. So let's take, for example, Amazon, for example. I'm going to use Amazon.com as an example. We all know what Amazon is for, and this is just for tutorial purposes, right? So we could have picked any website. That's just the one that popped in my head right away. And so we're going to just quick click get started right here. So click on let's go, and you will need to enter your website. So if you have your own personal blog, your website, whatever it is, you can enter the URL here and just click and continue. What Pomeli does, it literally script the website to get your colors, your logos, your fonts, and all those things. It basically go through and gather all of that data and develop a brand DNA. It's called a brand DNA, but it's basically your brand kit, right? So it's come up with that all of that details for your brand, and from there it can use all of this data to generate social media campaigns for you. And as you can see right here, it's generating my brand kit, my business DNA. And so once it is done, you will see all the goodies that you get with it. So I'm going to walk you around the platform, what is there, how you can really navigate your way through, and so you know how to use it. So this is just a basic one, guys, as I'm showing you right here, but they say that it takes about 10 minutes, but in truth, it doesn't take 10 minutes to generate it. But let's hang on and wait for it to generate our first brand DNA. What I'm gonna do in the meantime while it generates my brand DNA or my business DNA, I'm gonna open up a new tab here and just type in Amazon logo, right? For example. And you will see that if you have, for example, your business logo, you have the option afterwards to really add that logo in, right? And so I'm gonna show you as an example right here. I'm gonna save this logo. And once Pomeli generates my business DNA, you will see that you have the option that if it doesn't pull the logo, you can also add your own logo. You can change the font, you can change the colors if you know this. If it, let's say, try to pull from the website and it doesn't get everything correctly, you can always make tweak to those things, and you can always go back to it later and make changes if you so desire. No, here you have it, guys. Pomeli as a finish, and as I mentioned before, it does not take a whole 10 minutes to generate a business DNA, but it can take a few minutes, right? Let's say 5 minutes maximum. Now, here you can see it finds the website. This is the website URL, and if you have the name of the business, here it finds the color of the business as well. So you scrape the website and find the colors. It also goes through and finds some images. And so there are a ton of different images that Pomelo will try to script from the website so that it can use to design, let's say, social media campaigns for you that you can post, right? Here you can upload more images. So if you realize that these images are not enough for you, you can always go back and upload more images later. Here you can see that it even pulls the tagline. It pull the business overview. It does a whole lot of stuff right here. Right here, it shows a font, and this is where it should, let's say, find those different logos. And as you can see right here, it literally pulls different logos. If you want to use these, you can. If you don't want, you can always click on the pencil button and you can upload new one if you want, or generate new one if you want. It's really up to you. So let's say I don't like this one. I can go ahead and I can click on upload and just add the one that I wanted. And as you can see right here, I had it, and I can just select this and click and apply. And as you can see, it now changes, but this space is set specifically for your logos. Right now, if everything looks good and you're satisfied with what you've seen here, click on looks good. and it's going to show you three different campaigns that it has come up with that you can post, right? How easy is that? So you don't have to worry about coming up with your first ideas, because Pomeli come up with suggestions based on your business data that it has and what it scraped from your website, and you can literally use any one of these to post, right? So I'm going to show you. You also have the option here that you can use the power of AI to generate more ideas, and based on what you put there or whatever you use AI to suggest, it basically pull those data from your website or based on what it pull, and it will come up with new campaign strategies for you. So what I'm going to do for the purpose of this video is use one of these, and I want to show you something real quick. Over every one of these campaigns, you can click the three dots and you can delete them if you don't like them. And you can also download them if you so desire, but I'll show you that in a bit. Now, if you want to check one of those campaigns, just click on it and it's going to show you the different images that it has generated based on the campaign idea that it has come up with. And right here, you can see that it comes up with four different campaigns. And as I said, once you open up those different campaign strategies, you can click the three dots here and you can hit download. And if you want to use them or let's say resize them, you can just hover over duplicate and you have different sizes that you can easily go ahead and resize. What the resize does, let's say I choose this option, I resize it, it basically generates a new design with the same data. And as you can see, it's resizing by creating the new strategy for me. Now, you also can download your business data as well. Basically, everything that is designed by Pomelli based on your business data, let's call it the campaigns, you can click the three dots on the upper right and you can say download business data. And what are the business data? A business data is basically all the designs that Pomelli has designed based on what it gather from your website or from your business, right? So you'll be able to download all of these in one folder, zip folder on your PC that you can always post on your social network as well. You have your account. The account is basically from your Google account. And of course, if you don't like what is there and you want to start a fresh, let's say, business DNA, you can reset this and it just clear out all the data that it has and allow you to add your new website and start from scratch all over again, which only takes a few minutes, as you can see there, to generate a new brand DNA or business DNA. So that's it, guys. That's really Pomeli. If you have your website and you want to come up with awesome designs, you can always go ahead and let's say put in your website and generate incredible fast social media campaigns that you can post on your website. So here you can see, and you can see the particular version as well. You can see images and all those good stuff, details, call to actions. You can generate a whole lot depending on what you see here. You can always go ahead and let's say click on them to generate different ideas. So once you find something that you like, as I showed you, click the three dots, hit download, and it's gonna download right on your PC, and you can post that on your social media account. So have a look at this image. As you can see, I could easily take this and post it right here. And let's go back. If I click on the campaigns right here or the business DNA, you can see that here, for example, I'm back right to the front where I have those different designs. So if I want to check this business DNA, I can click on this one and I can see the different campaign that this specific one has generated, right? And you can add these to your creatives if you like them and so forth. Again, if we click on that, let's say go back, you can even go all the way back to your brand DNA, so your business DNA. You can click on that. It's going to take you back to all of your details here for your business. You can always go ahead and edit whatever you want, change whatever you want, change the colors, the font, and all those good stuff. But in a nutshell, guys, that's Pomeli. I hope you found this useful, guys. And if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.